that camera, Bojangles? Is it 300 like you said? See how he got here? I don't know what kind of reception gadget that is. For the win. He done jumped all the way out there. I should be able to use the, okay, Mr. Bojangles, I already tried to use the live view with my phone, and guess what? No microphone, man. So shit, now I gotta buy some microphones. Golly, man. The Rode wireless system and DJI just came out with a new microphone set. I think they about 300. See how this shit just keep adding up? Just keep adding up. Once I get that camera you talking about, you know what you gonna say then? Oh man, it's too shaky, man. You need a gimbal. Hey, DJI just came out with a new gimbal for that too. I'm gonna be out here never ending. Never ending. I'm gonna be loaded down before y'all know it, man. Mics. I got a couple people, they be advising me to get stuff. They talking about get a new camera, get some new gimbal, get some new service. Yeah. I need everything new. I ain't got no money.
Oh, you need a sponsor.
I need a sponsor.
You need a sponsor.
I'm gonna start getting the ones that say something. I need to send them like a dope. Yeah. We need to get to it. Let's get to it. But some of the stuff they requesting, I'm gonna be shit. They talking about heavy camera, backpacks, and whole list and whole that, and I get tired. Yeah, I know how to use a hoverboard. You can't take a hoverboard on a plane. So you need more cell service. I got 2 cell services I'm paying for. I already got 2 phones now, 2 AT&T bills. That costs, cause you remember everybody used to be calling me while I was live, and then y'all started donating. They helped me get another phone and get another service. Here, I don't even know the number. Can't nobody call me no more. See the upgrade? See the upgrade? I connected that with this $160 gimbal. See? It's adding up, ain't it? Bojangles, do you still work, man? I know if you do got a job, you telling somebody what to do. I can't imagine you working and you not being the boss. I just can't imagine. I know you gotta be in some type of position of authority. I don't know. I want to know how old Bojangles is, where he from. Yeah, I want to know your age, occupation, and where you from, man. Bojangles, it's your time, man. You on the spotlight. I don't know. Yeah, I'm a supervisor, age 29 at the West Coast. Something ain't right with the box. Yeah, supervising what? He trying to be all vague and stuff. You know we want to know what you do. Where you work, at the jailhouse or something? Damn! He can tell everybody what to do except his wife. God damn. I thought you had everything under control. You can't hide your check or nothing. She must got the PIN code to your. When she look on her phone, your account come up, huh? She ain't got her own account. Do your wife work? There we go. That's a good one. Or you taking care of the whole fam in the West Coast? Ain't stuff expensive in the West Coast? Let me see. Never eat sour watermelon. Yeah, you over there by California. What's up with it, Kenny Bean? My wife does not work. She stays at home with the kids. See? That's why. That's why she got the account. Dang. I think this that Camaro. Yeah, he got something in this thing. Damn, with some juice. That's what I'm talking about. Dangerous motherfucker. Appreciate the follow All Primer and Arizona's finest. I know somebody in Arizona now, y'all. We're gonna get back to you, Bojangles, after these races. This night, yeah, this thing.
That bitch vicious, bro.
Damn.
What type of fuel is burning?
That's E90.
Yeah, E90.
He getting it all on the track.